Someone asked me what is the simplest flower that you can paint. So we're gonna paint the simplest tulip that I know how. The reference link will be in the description below. The process for this simple tulip is straightforward. There will be a first layer of green using a rich green gold, Daniel Smith color, and basically you will see the green and you lay down the first layer in a flat wash, basically as flat as you can, as in like the even spread of the color. It doesn't have to be perfect, but that's alright. The second shape you see here is of queen rose, mimicking the top of the tulip, and again is a flat wash with a soft edge at the bottom connecting the green and the red. So in this flat wash you will see that the idea is just to lay the foundation for the two shapes that they are connected as well. You need to let it dry, and this is where most beginners fail to appreciate the need for the paper to completely dry before you lay on the second layer. In order to lay the second layer, basically you need to mix a darker version of green and a darker version of the red. The way to do this is to put the complementary color. So for green gold, add a small touch of queen rose into it and it becomes the shadow color. And this shadow color is what you will lay on top of the first layer, again in a flat washed style. Same thing with the queen rose, mixed in with a touch of green gold into it, and you will find that the color darkens somewhat in the opposite direction, the complementary direction, and therefore it becomes the shadow color. This is important because creating shadow colors are essentially the approach to create depth, and in three-dimensional sketch, that's what you will be able to do, or you will need to do. The darker version, the third layer washed, again is a touch of phthalo green on top of it and a touch of permanent alizarin crimson on top of it as well. So those are the tiny little touches of dark that you see just to create a better sense of three-dimensional form for the flower. That's it. That's the simplest tulip I know how to sketch, and it should be a simple one that you can do for your birthday card or Christmas card or whatever that you want to do with it. I hope you stay safe wherever you are. Whee Teck, wishing you peace out.
Wow.